Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Memhash token. Name of the token is Memhash, ticker symbol is also Memhash. Now this token is on the TON blockchain, and it was just announced that it's getting a very big central exchange listing soon. And we're going to go over the information on the Memhash token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says that Memhash combines the simplicity of gaming with the technical sophistication of blockchain. Built on the concept of simulated mining, it leverages the same hash cash mechanism as Bitcoin to provide rewards when users run the mini app on their devices. The game offers a simple user interface with a single button, enabling players to immediately start earning visible rewards. Now, like I said, this token is on the TON blockchain. There is a total supply of 1,250,000,000 Memhash tokens. And it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing soon. Now, it doesn't give an exact date, but it says here, MEXC initial listing alert, Memhash will be listed on MEXC, time to be confirmed. Memhash, there's a community exclusive pre-deposit Memhash and share 10,000 USDT prize pool event. It says Memhash app combines the simplicity of gaming with the technical sophistication of blockchain. So it doesn't give an exact date and time as of yet, but it says that this token will be listed soon on MEXC, and you can get involved with this event if you want as well. So if you don't have an MEXC global account and you're looking to get this token here, all you'd have to do is simply, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. So all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Memhash, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can follow the Twitter in the corner of the screen here at Memhash_app. Or you could follow at MEXC_listings, and they'll announce exactly when the time and date is when this token will be listed. So it says here on their Twitter, they have a blue verified checkmark, 154 posts. It says Memhash is a Telegram mini app game, has a link to the Telegram bot at Memhash_bot. So that's where the game is. Then their webpage is there, memhash.org. They just joined in November 2024 on Twitter, and they have 184,300 Twitter followers so far. They also have a community chat, or this is the announcement one here. So they have an announcement Telegram, which is at Memhash, and that one has 1,079,378 subscribers. So it's a huge project here, tons of followers across all of their socials. They also have here a group, so this would be for the chatting with other community members at Memhash_group, and that one has 198,700 members, 49,129 of them are online. Blue verified checkmark. So they also have a support Telegram as well at Memhash Sup. And they have one for ads. If you go to the announcement channel, the one that's just at Memhash on Telegram, you could find all of the other, it's like a full link tree of Telegram. So you'll see all of the other Telegrams on there. And then the bot at Memhash_bot, which is the application, the mini app game. That one has 1,415,780 monthly users. So it's a huge project here. And you can find this token on tonviewer.com. This is on the Ton blockchain. And then their webpage, you can find a roadmap. So it says Memhash mining simulation game inside Telegram. Telegram mini game where you can earn rewards through mining similar to Bitcoin. The gameplay, it says there's only one button, start mining. When pressed, you can see stats as the app searches for a valid hash of the current block. It's a passive process that requires no action other than running the game on your device. It says visible rewards. The first device to find a valid hash for the block automatically submits it, earning its owner a reward similar to Bitcoin mining. It's got the built-in mining pool to make the game more interesting for a broader audience. Memhash has a core mechanic which allows you to earn even with a smartphone. So basically, user devices are trying to find a valid hash with a very low difficulty. Part of the block reward distributes between all miners. Then we have the mining consumes energy. To prevent overmining, Memhash has the internal currency called energy, which is consumed during mining. The more you mine, the more energy is used. Energy gradually restores over time, ensuring balanced gameplay. There's additional upgrades, so daily energy can be increased by completing simple tasks or unlocking upgrades. You can also speed up your mining by enabling advanced modes like Turbo, Super, or Nitro. These modes can boost mining up to 20 times. Offline mining enables remote server to mine on your behalf, even without device. So it says total supply, billion tokens, total blocks, 1 million. They have here all the numbers of how good this project is doing. You can check that out on their webpage at memhash.org, along with a lengthy roadmap if you want to check that out. So yeah, stay tuned. This token will be available on Mexc Global. Make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.